to explain about this sensor and how does it function in Uno board. This sensor is a flame sensor. The sensor code is HW491. This sensor can detect fire flame, UV and IR. This is the result. To connect the sensor, we have a Uno board, breadboard, sensor, some jumpers, 220 ohms resistor, LED light and buzzer. I set the pin mode. Flame sensor is the input. The buzzer LED 1 is the output. The LED 2 is output. This is the connection of the buzzer and LED 1. I set the pin mode flame sensor as a input. The buzzer LED 1 is the output. The LED 2 also output. I set the digital read. Digital means the sensor is as a fire, and if the fire equals to 1 means the flame sensor detect the flame, and the LED 1 and buzzer will function, and the LED 2 will no bright. And I let it repeat 3 times, and else if no detect the flame, the buzzer and LED 1 will no function, and the LED 2 will bright, and my code can function. The yellow LED is a LED 2, the red color is LED 1. If the fire flame detect, the LED 2 yellow color one will bright. Now I want to start my demo to let the flame sensor function. If the sensor detect the flame, the buzzer and the LED 1 will bright and function 3 times. Now I use the remote control also can let this flame sensor function, because the remote control have the IR flame like this. The last thing can let this flame sensor function is the sunlight. The sunlight have the UV flame to let it function. If I open the window, it will bright and function. That's all for my explanation and demo for this flame sensor. Thank you.